Well, hello, my friends. It's a new year, and you know what this month is? Tax season. I hope you all got your taxes done. But I also want to not just talk about tax season. Last year, we were shredding things. This year is for starting fresh. And this year, being Year of the Horse, is so important. But like I said, I hope you got your taxes done. Every year during this time, we spend time working on our finances. We audit them, we review what came in, what came out, what worked, what didn't. We do this because our financial health does matter. But there's another audit that nobody is talking about, and that's a life audit. This time of year is the perfect moment to pause, to evaluate the direction of your life, your relationships, stress levels, your emotional well being. A new year naturally creates momentum and openness to change. This does not require drastic decisions or cutting people off. It simply requires just having awareness, you guys. Start with this one question: what is adding stress to your life right now? Think about every category of your relationships, your work relationships, when somebody, your social circles, your romantic relationships, when somebody is on a healing journey, especially healing from trauma, boundaries are essential. I'm going to say that again. Boundaries are essential. Healing cannot happen in environments that are constantly stressful, full of anxiety, exhaustion, you're emotional. The body already knows the answers to what you need, but you need to get in touch with your nervous system because it's constantly sending us signals about safety and stress. Think about what happens physically when certain people enter a room. Do your shoulders get tense? What are the reactions? Those aren't random. That's data from your nervous system trying to give you cues and messages. The goal is to become aware of the signals instead of ignoring them. I've gotten really good at this, but it's taken a lot of practice. So don't worry, you can do this though. A simple exercise would be just write down the names of some key people in your life and what are your physical and emotional reactions that show up around them. For example, there's person A. Person A comes into the room. All of a sudden, there's tension, anxiety. You're drained afterwards. This is not about labeling people good or bad, you guys. It's about understanding how interactions affect emotionally and your physical well being. And this might not have anything to do with that person. It could have to do with your healing journey and your nervous system. Awareness is the first step to boundary settings. I can't stress that enough. Awareness is the first step to setting these boundaries. Boundaries are not punishments. Many people believe boundaries mean removing people from your life. That's not the goal at all. Often, boundaries simply mean adjusting expectations, reducing exposure to stress, changing how your interactions may happen with people. Without this awareness, boundaries feel impossible. But with awareness, boundaries actually become logical and necessary. Healing requires space, you guys. You have to have a calm space to heal, to reflect, to understand what's going on. This process is similar to spring cleaning. Again, this time of year, we're doing spring cleaning. Every year we go through, we declutter our houses, we clean, we remove things, we create space. We create that space to bring new things in and to just feel fresh. Life requires the same exact maintenance. Tax season becomes life audit season. The time to evaluate what stays, what changes, what no longer serves you for your long term goals is the time now. Every year you should be doing this. A checklist is available to guide you through the step by step process. It's very simple and it'll just give you some clarity on where you're putting your energy and where you need to create more room for that to happen. Think of it like this: tax season, financial season, tax season is life audit season. It's spring cleaning. It's time we spring clean out our emotional well being and our mental well being. We have to do this. It's a new year momentum. it's the perfect opportunity to do this. Whether you set New Year's goals, New Year's intentions, New Year's resolutions, whatever you want to call them, if you're still doing those, great. If you haven't set them, no problem. If you did and you still haven't accomplished them, not a big deal. Don't beat yourself up. This is a time to work on your mental health and get in touch with your nervous system and understand where you need to start putting your energy to move on in your healing journey. I want you to think about all the relationship categories in your life: work, family, friends, your partners, social circles. I want you to look at all of that and evaluate. Like, look at the top 5 or 10 people that are in your life and write down how they make you feel, and this will give you an idea, but your body is initially going to give you those signals right away because your body wants to signal safety versus stress. So, this is an important exercise. So, I want you to go through this quiz. I want you to be open minded. When you see your results from the quiz, I want you to reflect on that and think about it because with these boundaries, you are going to clear space for your healing, for new people to come in to support you, and you're going to remove the clutter from your life. It's so important, you guys. You have to do this, and you owe it to yourself to do this. So click on the link below, take the quiz. It's a really short quiz. It's not going to take you long, but I think you're going to get a lot of answers from it, and I want to know your thoughts. So please don't hesitate to reach out, and please do not forget, you are a trauma rock star.